too?
I found my other side quest that I need
to scoop it up. He's called Alexi Flowers, and he makes his home in that tower.
Hey, yeah, I finally got all the hit
You're looking for Belloc? He's a shifty sort. We need go discuss it with the Greyhorns near the bridge. Don't be afraid to use your tusks if you need to.
May have bested us, but you still can't get bust us on the...
Probably about 60.
I was hoping they'd let us say. The Safari Queen is too big a target if the Greyhorns won't let us pass. But I know how we can get you by them. I've got to head into the market and look for a part.
Sorry, we're just clearing my throat. Hannibal sent you to me, eh? I can manage a river trip if we can get to my boat. You'll need to create a distraction.
Yes, do that.
While you fight some Black Tusk cultists, I'll sneak down to the boat and get it ready. You can meet me there.
We haven't even fought these guys yet!
Here we are, we are totally fighting Black Tusk cultists now!
Fizzle, you coward!
Great, Al, now you just jinxed it. For me.
Wait, but you're not a coward!
Yes, but the two deaths fizzled.
This is the 12th. This is the 13th critical on Surrey, and yes, I am taking notes on it.
You're gonna lose track when you actually get used to it.
No, I have a notepad currently. Oh, I need to teleport to you. What? Ah.
For some reason, it's booting me off my mouse. Oh, yeah, I'm going the wrong way. Wait for me, Al!
So it's a dinghy. What of it?
I have
look
two.
Like much, but she's a fast little. Anytime you want to come back here, just climb back here.
Look at on my screen. There's two of them.
See here.
Climb into the boat once we get to the waterfront. If you want to come back here, just climb back.
Go, babe.
Remember, if you have the souk, eh? You'll find Belloc sent in the souk.
You enter the tent and see someone who can only be Belloc, deep in conversation with Counselor Rassic Pridefall. And look at what Counselor Rassic is wearing.
Can I talk to him?
You can talk to him. Just don't join the battle just yet. I need to prep my deck up.
Yes, the gems on the headdresses come from the drum jungle. The blackback gorillas have been selling them to us. Counselor Rassic first introduced me to the blackback gorillas. The gorillas supply much good black stone for building. They uncovered a unique... There's a barge at dock right now, full of bricks, artifacts, and the like. Go look at it if you must.
Yeah. Talk to him.
You found Belloc, eh? Did he have it? You have to check out the barge. If Belloc is going to roll over like that, it should be here. Look for any clues or evidence that...
Any trading bosses here?
Nope. Looks to be just a standard mob fight.
These Black Tusk cultists don't seem very pleased to see you.
What about this?
I found something in here.
I gotta wait for it.
Most of these crates are empty. However, on top of one, you find a bill of lading, so Baka might know what to make of it.
This bill of lading looks in. Not quite sure what to make of these papers. If you step on my boat, I can take you back downriver.
Yay! I can get a minion if I wanted to.
You look a bit worse. This bill of lading looks very... While I am doing that, please go to Queen Oriana and give her an update on what you've seen.
I wonder how many times somebody has ran into that aquarium.
Hello again, Wizard. I appreciate... Perhaps you should go back and see Happy again? It occurs to me that you don't know very... If you get the...
Alex, at the very least, we're finishing the world tomorrow. Or this weekend, right?
Yeah.
Good.
I'll probably at the very least, get Stone Town and Waterfront done today.
Oh, what do you mean? That was the whole time. At the very least.
Yeah. Like, if we ever have to have a stopping point.
I've read through the documents and think I've discovered this is a bad sign. He was the Queen's... I need you to go to Councillor Rasik's home and bring him here.
I kind of feel...
Councillor's house looks...
Hello, Wizard. You won't find it. Oh, you've seen how Councillor Rat... I want to help you find him, but it's not... If you can head back up river to the Waterfront docks, I'll meet you.
The librarian. Probably in the library. It's down the street.
You made it good.
I'm trying to find something else real quick, though.
Councillor Rasik is in the Black Palace. It's an accursed place. I don't
Am I
know how
supposed
the
to...
Black Tusk
Alex, I
cultists-
found a Black Lotus.
Oh,
They're all dead.
I yield!
They're all dead.
Nansin Gonyam with the password.
Wait, did you get the
can
monkey
get
yet?
by the
No, I did
Zedgans.
not.
Once Zedgan has turned you into an elephant.
Greetings, young. You may owe me. Drink from
time
my
we're doing this
cauldron
and
and you will feel
we're not doing it over the phone.
beautiful.
I'm grabbing your mouse
Go,
again.
wizard, and enter the
I asked around after you left. Apparently the library...
Nans Ingonyama Bagiti Baba?
The transformation spell works. You are able to walk through the powerful ward without hesitation.
No.
I want to, yes. No. I removed that.
I'll get here eventually.
I mean, they're right, too.
Almost there.
You see Councillor Rasik deep in conversation with another elephant. One who looks...
Who?
It's that spot.
Wizard?
Help it!
With the big bug out of the way,
I'm recovering the health.
And his ally, whoever that
I'm gonna have to fight him.
Bah! I will not hide like some child in his mother's skirts. I will face you like a... Silverback's people brought me all the materials to build this. The anchors... The other elephant? That was Tim Seaguy. Belloc introduced me to the gorillas.
Is he legit?
You destroy the Charlotta.
Is he? Wait, tell me he's not stupid. No.
What?
Do they really believe that Tim's an elephant?
Gosh, my polymorph is over. Second, the cheats for this boss are actually
take advantage of your weakened state.
But we're gonna.
My trunk! It hurts! Make it stop! I'll make a deal with you.
No.
Let me go, and I'll tell you. Whew. I knew you'd see it my way. You can rescue him, if you can even get
I'm sorry, but I want this picture on the side.
Alright.
Are you back at the...
I'm turning my quest.
You're not the queen.
It will
take
us many days to unravel the chaos.
Yeah, I'm
the Umbra
teleporting
Queen servant said they were taking my son to the drum to visit the elephant grave. Like the lions and zebras, the elephants were given us. If the Umbra Queen gets them, who knows what...
Treat all the students!
Queen Ariana
okay,
is
we
willing.
go now.
You freed me! Thanks so much! I'll tell the professors back home how well you're doing.
Right now I know not to trust you.
You are most welcome. Still, you must go to the drum jungle and catch the If you don't reach them, ask Captain Hannibal to take...
Sorry, kid. The bridge... However, my brother Mago has a ship docked on the waterfront. The Dancing Queen.
Probably to the next area.
What's that? Good to meet you, Wizard. I've longed to visit other... Hannibal said to take you to the drum jungle. Fair enough. Hop aboard the Dancing Queen.
I'm getting a bad lag out right now.
If you look at my screen, I can talk to somebody, but I can't see what they're... Where they're at.
Is it the same thing for you?
Yeah, I guess a lot of people got on.
Whee! I made it.
I have not.
We're in Jump Jungle now.
Whew, we made it. I've anchored us in this cove because it's dangerous. You'll find nothing but black tusk. However, we should have been met by a friend of mine. Can you scout the gorilla treetop village and see what you can find?
Those gorillas look pretty rough and not very friendly.
Do we have to fight them?
That's next quest.
What you describe? Alright, I hate to ask. She's one of the few gorillas that has resisted. Go up into the treetop village and thrash some of the black box soldiers until one drops Coco's whereabouts.
You ready? You ready? And now we gotta go back and fight more.
Terrific work! We need to free Coco Smoke Sign. Carlos Lieutenant has her, huh? That must be Ogun Daggertooth, if I've got one tusk.
I'm looking at Avalon right now. Yeah, I definitely want to get that done with that world as fast as possible.
Wait till you see the Bari.
Let's check out. Are we in the middle of our...
Oh, thank you for freeing me. Please, let us talk outside of this wretched hole.
Oh, I need to grab more,
The air is sweeter out here. May the ants... Jumbo Wizard. We fought Morgant at the dawn of memory, but her minions tricked my people. The Blackbacks felt unwelcome in the news. They hid away in the jungle, away from art, light, life. We fell far. Go look at our throne. It is no fit seat for a king.
The gorilla throne was abandoned long ago.
Okay, the next battle is against Black Tusk again.
Of magic that had been ripped away.
Morgant returned to Zafaria after most had forgotten, but the Blackbacks dreamed of her. And our current leader, Kala Silverback. Kala Silverback just gave Morgant our golden amulet. I saw her servant shepherding. Go down to where... The quarry. I'm sure you're right. Scout out the quarry.
Can you stay where you're at?
Evil magic swirl around the door. Right now. You'll need a powerful ritual to get.
Yeah, that's who I need to talk to.
The Umbra Queen's black juju lives within the pincer gate. I know a spell to get you in, but Ogun stole my wand and gave it to those vile shadow weavers.
Okay, we're on for my next trick.
Questioning our sanity here.
I don't like these guys already.
Let's talk about what happened in the first battle. Joe's had a long deck on, so he fled.
And then I come back, but I joined the wrong battle somehow.
So it was a 3v1, which is cruel. If it was a 4v2, I can understand because it evens split. It's fine. This is the second time I'm getting Puppy on me. Seems like these people think Puppy is a good thing, which I'm fine with.
What's gonna happen? $5. Wait.
I'm not.
Hey Alex.
What?
$5 says I get hit by either earthquake or
Mungo Frog?
No, or Midnight.
Oh, that is hard.
Oh, no! I get spared.
For one more round. I'm just using my myth method of when I know for a fact that myth has a earthquake, I just put converts on and attack when I'm ready. I don't need to put a blade on, so that's good. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be dead next round either way. So what's the point of me trying? Yep, they're probably gonna die. I don't even have anything I need!
And...
You got it back! I need a few of the hats that the gorilla spider witches wear, and some yellow castanea petals from the jungle. Bring them back.
How close are you? Did you get it?
I got it.
Dang it, I got caught.
Elise! It's somebody who can actually fight them. Are you at, Coco?
Yeah.
See.
Very good material.
Coco shreds the hats and the flower petals and weaves them into a simple shroud.
Ooh. Go through the pencil gate to the quarry and find the principal.
Coco Smoke Sign's magic gets you through the pincer gate. On the other side...
So we can do this one of two ways, Allie.
All my shrimp and algae. I'm doomed. Doomed.
I'll take the way that involves being above right now.
Not? Frab, just... Do you think you could rough a few of them? Life is a misery. But watch, the gorillas are stealing magic from my kid.
Oh, no.
Can you go to the treetop village and free the flamingos from their cages? Perhaps we aren't doomed after all. Prince Taziri is lost? I bet the Overseer
24 levels to go.
Stole our eternal flame. The Overseer learned. Also,
oops.
Is this a cheating boss?
I'll smoke your heart and crack your bones.
Alex is definitely gonna burn something now.
Flame. Fruit, do you feel the flame beating? Do you understand? This burning is our eternal flame. The Overseer said the Elephant Prince was taken to the
I stuck past the spider witches again.
There is a shadow-touched elephant.
Now I'm being stupid. Alright, this one's another boss.
Sip of tears.
Look how many pallets of bricks and shadow artifacts they intend to bring back. No good will come of these relics.
Agents. She ordered them to cover their tracks. Her minions pulled out the pedestal's gem eyes and hid them nearby. You need a local guide to even have a chance to fight.
You tap into the energy of the eternal flame and burn a powerful glyph into the boiler.
I could see the barge burning from all the way over here. Axel Blacktrunk said they hid the pedestal's eyes in the jungle? Whom?
Morgant's agents did what? I know a ritual to find the missing. Shango is the spirit of war and the blades. Shango's thunder and Shango. Track Oya Bloodstorm to her cliff cave.
A wizard? What a delicious morsel. Fine, you win. Take the other blade. I'll never. I gave it to one of the Umbra Queen's agents, a Goliath called Ranzan. It dwells in a jungle clearing near.
So a bunch of...
You track Ranzan to this jungle clearing. The smell of rotting plants and meat is almost overpowering.
Actually, it's probably a smart idea just to take that pathway.
Let the blades guide you. Yeah. They will cut away whatever obstacles are in.
Throughout the tower, pull the Spider Queen's fangs, and bury the heart of darkness for all time. You feel the blades pulling you this way towards the water. You slot the silver sword into the rock, and you can hear stone grinding.
Take the gem eye for the mammoth doors, you accursed wizard.
Well done. Where does the iron blade, Shango's thunder, point you? Towards Kala Silverback's shack? I am not surprised. His lair is guarded by the spider bridge. If you tried, I can protect you with a simple spell, but to make it, I also need my wooden spoon that one of the Blackback soldiers took. And
this must be the iron pot that Coco wants. You notice the camp looks like it was abandoned not that long ago.
You need another spark of it. I must thank you again for freeing me from that.
You got everything I needed. I can make with this spell in effect. You can cross the bridge, use Shango's thunder, battle the big boss, and get you.
The spell seems to work, and the spider web slipped right off. Shango's thunder cleaves through the magical ward like it was no more substantial than smoke.
Knocking on Kaya.
The cheat is simple, and we probably don't have to worry about it.
And what's that?
How did you get in here? Why aren't you stuck to a web having the life bled out of you? I'll just have to toss. me, Umbra Queen.
So let's. I'm just gonna get.
Nothing? Fine.
Alright, we'll,
You fought bravely
I'll go
and
eat. I'll go eat.
Color Silverback was with both gem. Once you are true to the.
Are you just following me?
Yeah, trying my
The
best.
eyes, though mismatched, fit perfectly. You feel a mighty presence staring through you, and the doors.
Greetings, wizard. I am Queen Elisa, the first queen, the spirit of the elephants. You wish to free the Prince to
Alright.
I want to drive the
I'm gonna
shadows
take a break here.
from this. Go to the drum house, where we.